So I get a lot of questions about what is a ductless system. So I'm going to show you. I'm at a house today. I'm going to show you what a ductless system looks like and how it can change your lives, and people love them. So here we go. Okay, so this is the outside unit for the ductless system. It's its own self-contained heat pump, and then it attaches to the house, kind of like an air conditioner or a heat pump actually, and then it goes all the way up. This one happens to be on the second floor, and then it ties into what I'll show you up there. Here is the unit on the wall. You know, just takes up minimal space, and then you have air conditioning and heat, and it does come with a remote.